Litty, what's Litty, what's Litty, what's goody? It's your girl Amaya from My Sneak TV, and I am back with another banger. You already know what it is. Your girl finna do an unboxing video. Y'all, I've been waiting all day for this. I checked the mail like 3 times today, and I kept going back and forth on the app to where I just said, I give up. If UPS ain't gonna come, they ain't gonna come. And I just have to have it tomorrow. But guess what? They came! They came! Y'all don't understand how excited I am. I was so hesitant to buy this. And then I was just like, forget it. Splurge, girl. Spend your money. You work hard for it. You deserve to spoil yourself. Don't ask me why I got the biggest knife. Don't ask. But how did y'all like that little slogan? What's goody, what's litty, what's litty, what's goody? I think I'm gonna use that for now on. Every time I like do my intro. What's goody, what's litty, what's litty, what's goody? Yeah, I like that. I like that. So yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go right into the video. From UPS. I'm not putting my address. But boom, yeah, as you see, this is a little regular old box. It has their shipping label on it without my address. Yeah, it's a regular old box. So I am going to cut it open. Yo! There you go. Okay, it has a note, and it says, enjoyment essential, select a little card, and then it says, thank you for your purchase, activation activation instructions, and then it says that I could get Pandora Premium 3-month service for free, and transparent language online, and Grokr. I don't know what Grokr is, but anybody want Pandora Premium for 3 months? I'll give it to y'all. Anybody taking a foreign language and y'all want transparent language online? I'll give it to y'all. Comment down below if y'all want that. Okay. So this is what it came with. Has all dropping myself. Why, baby girl? Oh, you know what? Let me just go slow. Breathe, Amaya. Breathe. The package ain't going nowhere. It's already here. So it has my little information about what I ordered. Apple Airpods, truly wireless, red. I'm not gonna tell y'all the price because every time I look at them, I just want to cry for the price. But yeah, they're going to float. This, I don't know what it's for. They're going to float. But I ordered the Airpods bundle. And it came with a charging stand, a little holder so I can put it like behind my neck so I won't lose them. And it also came with a case, and then can't see. Bro, I hate this. Oh. It also just came with the AirPods. Boom. Y'all see. Certified. Why it won't focus, man? Y'all know how I feel about it not focusing. Can y'all see now? No, y'all can't. Why the box had to be black? I mean white. Let me see. If I put it behind this, can y'all see? What was that doing right here? Let me see. Still ain't focus. Bump it. Can you focus? Oh, there you go. There you go. Y'all see the word AirPods. There you go. There you go. There you go. I don't know what I want to open first. Of course, I want to open my AirPods first. But I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and open the charger stand. So, it came in like a whole bundle package. So, I didn't buy any of this separately. Just take batteries or something. God dang. What the heck? What is this? What is this? Yo, I'm not even gonna break it. I don't have no instructions. Hold on. Baby girl. It says this come with a cord? I don't see no cord. Oh snap, this is a charging stand for AirPods and iPhone. Okay. Pause. Wait a goddamn minute. You mean to tell me I provide the cord? I'm looking at the little demo example. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but I provide the cord in the box. Really? And it come through here. I know you lying. I didn't need this in a part of my bundle. I don't even know how you open it. But here's the case. It opens like a regular Ziploc bag. I got red because red is my favorite color. I was going to get pink so that it could be girly, but don't nobody care about that. I get red because that's my favorite color, period. And then it has a little clip where you can clip it on. Yeah, purse, pocket, book bag, whatever. Preferably not your book bag because folk be stealing. And then this is the little neck thingy. You put it around your neck. Put your AirPods in it. And then like wildin', 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 wildin'. I'm too excited. Now it's time to open my babies. I wanted these so bad. Started when we were younger, you were my boo. Alright. Try to be very gentle, but I can't. So I'm just gonna get my knife. And I'm going to gently, oh. Let me stop being so goofy for a second so that I can open this thing right. There you go. Okay, taking the plastic off. Come on, miss! Bruh! It's a freaking piece of paper. Designed by Apple in California. I don't care. What is this? Airpods? Oh, it's showing me how to connect it and all that. Okay. I don't care. Not right now. I care about my baby. Be careful, little nigga. Oh, turn up. I got me an extra Apple cord, baby. Yes, ma'am. I like it like that. I can hear that song playing already. I said I like it like, and it's wrapped up in a little bandage. But we finna get rid of that baby girl. Oh, come on now. Are they charged? They better be. In a case before I do any connecting or anything like that. I'm finna put it in a case so I can see how I look in a case. It look like a little baby. Aww. Ugly. Alright. Now that that is done, which one is left and which one is right? I'm gonna go with this is left. I'll say. God damn. Oh, it does say left, right. I feel certified. I feel certified. I got AirPods. I got AirPods. Turn up, turn up. What you want to be, like me? Yeah, yeah. What you want to... It ain't even nothing playing, girl. Let me put them in a little thing. My friend has one of these as well. She's going to be like, I told you you needed to get it. First of all, girl, it came with the package. Because why is this taking so long to go in? And if I break this cord, I need a refund for the whole thing. I guess they just stay like this. But my friend's on hers ain't go like that. Hers went all the way through. Maybe I'll have her do one for me. Y'all, UPS knocked at the door. He said, UPS. My dog started barking. But see, I didn't hear him say UPS. I thought that was the neighbors knocking on the window or something. Then he did it again. He said, UPS. Y'all don't know how hurt I would have been if I would have missed this package. First of all, why you coming at 7 o'clock, boo-boo? Okay, here you go. There you go. There you go. Woo, there it is. Hey, woo, there it is. Y'all, what song I'm gonna listen to first? Let's see, y'all. It's breaking already. Hey. Let me hear you say hey. Ho. I said hey. Ho. I said hey. 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 I said hey. Hey. Let me stop. Acting like I ain't never had nothing before. But y'all just don't understand how bad I want these things. Alright, so y'all. I'm gonna be back. I'm about to pair these up with my phone. Just trying to figure out why are they knocking on my window. Scared the mess out of me. Hi. Yes. That's good. Yes. Alright, so I'm back. And I paired them up. So that's probably how I'm talking to y'all. But I just want to show y'all that they're like really legit. Like, shaking my head. They're not coming out. They're not coming out. Like, they're not going nowhere, baby. If you double tap on it, I'm not going to do it because it's going to mess up the video. If you double tap on it, Siri will pop up. Also, if someone is calling you. What did I just do? I don't know. But also, if you're on the phone, double tap. You'll hang that junk up. I'm so ready to like explore these even more. And I don't know what this button do. Let me see. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what the button do. But, yeah. That's the end of this video. Y'all already know how drunk I am about these AirPods. Can't stop smiling. Can't stop listening to music. Can't stop, won't stop, get got 10 white toes and a toy flip-flops. But, yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a small little unboxing video so y'all could see me with my AirPods. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to, most importantly, subscribe. And check out my previous videos. I uploaded like 4 videos. Come on now, why haven't you watched them? If you haven't watched them, stop playing with me. Go watch my videos. No, I'm playing. But I have been posting recently though, so y'all should be proud of me. But, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Nah, I like dollars, I like diamonds.